In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your form into a clean, shareable PDF using Jotform's workspace, and you'll feel confident navigating the options you'll see along the way. First, head to Jotform's workspace. This is the central hub where your forms live and where you manage related assets. Opening it in a modern browser works best, and if you're already signed in, you'll land on a page listing your forms or projects. If you see folders or teams, that's fine. Workspace is just the organized view for whatever you're working on. Make sure you can see the specific form you want to turn into a PDF. If your list is long, use search or filters to locate it quickly. Next, look for the More menu associated with that form. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a button labeled More or as a simple three-dot icon. It's typically aligned with the form name on the right side of the list or card. If you don't see it immediately, try widening your browser window or hovering over the form row. Sometimes additional actions appear on hover. This menu is where Jotform groups advanced options, so you're in the right place when you find it. From that menu, choose Create PDF Document. Jotform will open the PDF editor for your selected form and automatically generate a PDF layout based on your fields. Think of this as a starting template that you can tailor. You'll notice the form fields laid out on pages along with options to adjust things like page size, orientation, margins, and styling. This is helpful if you need a polished document for sharing, printing, or archiving. Take a moment to review what's included. Hide any fields you don't want in the final document, add a logo or header for branding, and check that the order of information reads clearly. For longer forms, consider breaking the content into multiple pages to keep it readable. If you expect to use this PDF repeatedly for submissions, keeping consistent formatting will save you time later. Jotform typically preserves these settings, so once it looks right, you can rely on the same layout moving forward. That's all there is to it. Open Workspace, access the More options for your form, and select Create PDF Document. With those simple actions, you're ready to produce professional PDFs from your Jotform content anytime you need. Pause and replay as needed, and when you're ready, try it with one of your forms to see how quickly you can get a polished result.